President Emerson Mnangagwa's regime has intensified surveillance and security operations following an effective normal shutdown called by war veteran Blessed Geza. Sana vana masvika vabuda panapa chinzi aiwa panguva ino mutungamiri wenyika aiwa oisa surveillance yakanyanyisa panguva ino ikonokuwa kunzi bombshell Geza ari kuthreatena his rule not about subscribe or like or on the bell icon. Timina muzimbabwe vinonyora chiti business was low on Tuesday with the streets in major cities including Harare, Bulawayo and Vero early empty as they shut down took hold. Most shops, informal markets, and even some government departments were closed, with many citizens heeding the call to stay home in protest against corruption, economic collapse, and worsening inflation. Observers described the shutdown as one of the successful acts of civil disobedience in recent years, despite the state's heavy-handed attempts to crush it. Security forces, including plainclothes intelligence operatives and riot police, were deployed across central district BDs, and they interrogated pedestrians and monitored movements. In Harare, riot police were visibly stationed at a key intersection, bus terminal, and shopping areas in anticipation of unrest that never materialized, thanks to the silent but effective protest. The government's response did not stop at surveillance. Over 100 political activists remain in detention, following a wave of arrests last month linked to growing dissent and preemptive action against protest organizers. As Wednesday, the final day of shutdown unfolds, all eyes remain on Zimbabwe's streets, now guarded by riot police, but filled with the quiet defiance of an angry and fearful nation. Ndio mashikwambadanyi kwa panapa kuti agwa the Geza effect panguva ino iri kukonzeresa and rinyazokupa a true signal to the regime yekuti aiwa these guys they are no longer wanted. Tudze mafungiro enyu moti kudi pamusoro pechitwa chipina comment section yetu, tudze mafungiro enyu, so subscribe or like, so on the bell icon.